Welcome to the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you CARE series. In this video is the Karcher SC4 steam cleaner. The included accessories are the detail nozzle, floor tool brush, microfiber cloths, extension tubes, detail nozzle, hand tool, brass tool and descaling powder. Attach the transport wheels to the bottom of the unit. When pushing in the wheels, you'll hear a click and then you're good to go. The SC4 comes with 4 easy attachments. It comes with a brass nozzle, which is good for tough surfaces. Yellow nozzle for using in bathrooms, so you don't use the same nozzle in the bathroom which you then go and use into the kitchen. And it also comes with a black nozzle, which is great for grout lines and spot cleaning. Simply push and turn to connect the nozzle onto the head. The hand tool and the large nozzle come with microfiber cloths which can be easily attached and removed for cleaning. To connect the floor tool to the microfiber Velcro cloth, simply place on top and attach. To attach the accessories, simply slide over onto the yellow buttons until click is heard. To release the same accessories, simply press in the yellow button. For longer reach, you can join the lances together by simply connecting them onto the yellow clips. To release them, press the yellow button. The space-saving accessory storage is secure and easily accessible. Simply slide the floor tool into the grooves. The attachments can be stored the same way. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.